We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We're going to be looking at how to say more names from Nahuatl language, the Aztec language. So she is a goddess, the fertility or fertility goddess. Stay tuned if you want to learn more Nahuatl words and names. How do you say it? Let's break it down. Chalchiuhtlicue. Chal, chi, u, tli, que. Overall, Chalchiuhtlicue. Chalchiuhtlicue. Now you know. In English you can say it as Chalchiuhtlicue. Yeah, it's easy. Now you got it. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.